This bag tastes like corn, cheddar, and jalapeno, but creating that flavor is more complicated than you might expect. The ingredient list reveals several different things working together: the Cheeto itself, the cheese powder coated on top of it, the flavor enhancers in the cheese powder, along with the acids in the food colors. Cornmeal forms the structure of the Cheeto, vegetable oil helps the seasoning stick, salt adds flavor, and maltodextrin acts as a carrier for flavors and adds a bit of bulk. But then you may ask, what is cheese powder and how is it made? Cheese powder begins as a liquid slurry that's pumped, homogenized, and sprayed into a chamber filled with hot air. The moisture evaporates, cyclones collect the dry powder, and the finished cheese powder is bagged. After the cheese powder is packed off from the spray dryer, it is often taken to a dry blending operation where other ingredients can be blended with it to tailor make it for specific products. Okay, next we'll look at the dairy ingredients that are in the cheese powder. Cheddar cheese is the hero ingredient that provides structure and flavor and also acts as an emulsifier. Romano cheese is added to help add some cheese flavor. Whey protein, buttermilk solids, and lactose are all inexpensive dairy fillers. And sodium caseinate is the functional protein in cheese and also acts as an emulsifier. And now we look more closely at the flavor enhancers and other ingredients that provide flavor. Monosodium glutamate, or MSG, adds an umami or savory note, while disodium inosonate and guanylate help strengthen that savory effect. Jalapeno, garlic, and onion provide recognizable flavors and probably the only natural flavor ingredients in this mixture. Citric, malic, and lactic acids create different layers of tartness and fermented dairy sourness. Next up are the natural and artificial flavors. The manufacturer uses these food-safe chemicals to deliver a specific flavor profile, but the blend is proprietary and we're not actually able to see what specific chemicals they use. Lastly, we have the artificial colors. Yellow 5 and yellow 6 are typical cheese powder colors, and red 40 is added to give a deeper, darker, more vivid orange. The blue color is added to blend with the yellows in order to make a green color for the little jalapeno inclusions. So this product isn't just a corn puff with some cheese sprinkled on top of it. It's actually a precision-designed food product that has many functional ingredients that deliver a specific flavor profile and texture. And that wraps up our investigation into Cheddar Jalapeño Cheetos. If you found this video interesting, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to my channel. Also, if you're interested in me reviewing any other food products, please tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.